Tired of paying an arm and a leg for cell service? Let's break down Boost Mobile versus Verizon to see which carrier gives you the most bang for your buck. First up, let's talk speed. Verizon generally boasts wider 5G coverage and faster download speeds. Boost Mobile, while leveraging the T-Mobile and AT&T networks, might see slightly slower speeds depending on your location and network congestion. Think of it like this. Verizon is like driving on a mostly empty highway, while Boost can sometimes feel like rush hour traffic. Now for the wallet. Verizon's premium plans come with premium prices, often including perks like streaming services and international data. Boost Mobile, on the other hand, is all about affordability. They offer prepaid plans with no contracts, often at significantly lower monthly rates. Consider if you truly need those extra frills or if saving money is your priority. Next, coverage. Verizon typically has wider coverage across the U.S., especially in rural areas. Boost Mobile utilizes T-Mobile and AT&T's networks, so their coverage is generally very good in populated areas, but might be slightly less extensive in more remote locations. Check coverage maps specific to your area. Customer service matters too. Verizon has a more established customer service infrastructure, but Boost Mobile has been investing heavily in improving their support channels. Read recent reviews to see current customer experiences with each. The bottom line, if you need the fastest speeds and widest coverage, and are willing to pay for it, Verizon is a solid choice. But if you're on a budget and prioritize affordability without sacrificing decent speeds and coverage in most areas, Boost Mobile is a great option. Choose what's best for your needs.